This video will demonstrate how to duplicate the Brownstown Central lesson plan within your collection, as well as organize your lesson plan documents. Once again, there are multiple ways of duplicating, organizing, and working with your documents. This is just one method. From the Google page, log into your Google account using your provided username and password. Often this will already show up if you are using your own computer and stay logged in. Just look for your username on the top right of the screen. Now proceed to Google Docs, which is located under the More tab at the top. Choose Documents about 2/3 of the way down. This will open your Google Docs homepage. On this list, you should see your generic lesson plan. If not, click on the Home or All Items link on the left sidebar. You'll get a list of your recent documents. Put this item in your lesson plan collection by dragging the document to the lesson plan collection either in your list or in the left sidebar. This document will remain in your lesson plan collection. However, you can always go back to the original template if needed. When you click on the lesson plan collection, either from your home page or from the lesson plan collection in the left sidebar, you'll see the generic lesson plan document. Now, you'll need to create your class courses for each trimester. One way to do this is to click on each trimester on the left sidebar. The original collections appear under Collections Shared with Me. If they are compacted, simply click on the pull-down arrows to show the collections named Trimester 1, 2, or 3. Click once on Trimester 1. A blank screen will appear since nothing is in this collection yet. You'll notice in the search bar that Trimester 1 appears, so you'll know this is the collection that is actually open. Just below that, you'll see a New Collection button. Click once. A pop-up window will appear. Choose the blue Create and Share button. Another pop-up window appears asking for the new collection name. Make this the name of one of your courses. Then click the blue OK button. Notice the screen is again blank. However, you'll notice by the search bar that the new collection is open. So click back on the Trimester 1 collection and add any additional courses for that trimester. Just remember to click back on Trimester 1 or you'll end up with collections within collections rather than a collection within Trimester 1 collection. This will take some time making your collections, but it's something that only has to be done one time. Now you're ready to copy the master lesson plan and create your own. Most importantly, you now have the ability to organize them within the collections that you just created. Click back on the lesson plans collection in the left sidebar. You'll notice that you're in this collection up by the search bar. Since Google Docs saves automatically, you need to make a copy before making any additions. So open your generic lesson plan document and immediately make a copy by going to File and selecting Make a Copy from the pull-down options. A pop-up window will appear. Click on the blue OK button. You will need to do this each time you create a new lesson plan. Rename your new lesson plan by clicking on the title of your copy. A pop-up window will appear so you can type the new lesson plan title. You'll need to consider the naming of your lesson plans. To have all the BCCSC lesson plans consistent when the evaluator looks at them, you have two choices for saving. You'll need to use either the number day of the trimester, such as day 23, or the actual date using international format such as 2012-01-28. This formatting not only helps the evaluator, but also keeps your lesson plans in order. Consider the best method for you. Type the new document name in the box. This can be changed later if needed. Click on the blue OK button. Complete your lesson plan, which you can change later. Remember, the document saves automatically, so you'll never lose your changes. Once your lesson plan is complete, you'll need to put it in the correct class collection. This way, the evaluator can see and follow your lesson plan. Click back on Documents at the top of the screen. This brings you back to your home page. You'll see your newly created lesson plan at the top of the list. Simply drag that into the class course collection where you'd like to store the lesson plan. You can do this by using the list if the correct collection shows up, or you can use the list of collections on the left sidebar and selecting the correct course collection. If you happen to drag the lesson plan to the wrong collection, just drag it again to the right folder. That's it. Your lesson plan is in your course collection and can be accessed by the evaluator.